In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate crypto deposits into a brand new app in just a few minutes with Halliday. So now there's a Halliday Claude Code plugin, so you can build apps in Claude Code that integrate Halliday for crypto deposits. So we're going to go over to the Halliday docs, and we're going to clone the Halliday Claude Code plugin to your machine and run it. So if you go to docs.halliday.xyz, you can find the plugin on the llms.txt and plugins page, and you can clone it to your machine using this command. So here's the GitHub repository for the open source Claude Code plugin, and the same instructions are posted here on how to use it. So I'm going to go to my terminal. I'm going to make a demo folder. I'm going to open Claude Code and point to the Claude Code plugin. And I'm going to add the plugin to the context of the chat. And now that I have the plugin loaded, I can get an API key from the dashboard. So this is a public API key that you can use in the front end JavaScript code of your app. I'm going to head over to the web page using the Claude Code plugin. It's going to direct me there directly. And I'm going to grab my API key and paste it into the Claude Code chat in the terminal. So there's several things I can do in the plugin. I'm going to clone a sample app from GitHub. These are all open source. You can check them out yourself. The plugin can clone them to your machine in just one terminal command. So we're going to use the SDK widget, which is recommended. The user interface is all built with all proper UX for crypto on-ramps and deposits. There's several open source apps that we can pick from. I'm thinking of one in particular, and it uses RainbowKit. So I'm going to go to more options and select it. So we have our React, VM, WAGMI, and RainbowKit example. We're going to pull that to our machine using the Claude Code plugin. And since we already pasted in our Halliday API key, we only need one other API key, which is the Wallet Connect Reown API key. I have one here. I'll paste it in. And we're now running the app using Vite at localhost 5173. And we can run it in our terminal. Here's the app. And run it in the browser. So I can connect my MetaMask wallet here. And to do an on-ramp or a deposit, I can click this Deposit with Halliday button. Here's the SDK widget. My wallet is connected, and I can also send crypto from another address. The outputs are ETH on base or USDC on base. These are selected in the source code of the app, and we can change this. We will change it later to a different token. In my connected MetaMask wallet, we have all the options of the tokens that I have available on all of the supported chains. We can use these as input, or we can on-ramp from cash using debit card, bank, Apple Pay, and any of these options here. I'm going to head back over to my terminal, and I'm going to make some changes to my app using some prompts. So I would like the app to be in dark mode. This is a little bit too bright for me. So I'm going to change the background of the page to a dark color. And I'm also going to use the Halliday SDK custom styles, which are documented in the docs webpage that we saw earlier. I'm going to tell Claude to change the styles so that we have a dark mode in our SDK widget interface. So Claude's going to run that and change the source code for me. And I would also like to replace those output tokens like I mentioned earlier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the output tokens from USDC and ETH on base to Polymarket USD on Polygon instead. So I can on-ramp or swap to this token with one simple interaction in my app page. So we're back to our app. We got a dark mode here that Claude did, and Vite automatically updates. Here's our dark mode in our SDK widget. If I click on the wallet flow, I can trade from 1 USDC on base to 1 Polymarket USD on Polygon. So I'm going to do $1, and I'm going to confirm that transaction in my MetaMask. So here's the order. It goes through these steps. I fast forwarded for you. Here is the output transaction, and we can check out my wallet address, and we can see in the ERC20 transfers that 29 seconds ago I got a little bit less than 1 Polymarket USD in my wallet. So that is how you can build a app with crypto deposits and on-ramps in just a few minutes using the Halliday Claude Code plugin. Reach out to us at partnerships@halliday.xyz if you want to integrate this into your app today.